Welcome to our tutorial on Level 3 integration with GitHub. Today, we will talk about the third level, regarding the integration between the SaaS Manager Kit and GitHub. This third level is for the client. We need to link this client to a repository. This repository is exclusively for this client. It contains custom add-ons only for this client. This is the client's contract or instance. As you can see, the repository for this contract is empty. Let's add a new repository from here. Create or link repository. This is the user that will appear. We can add something to distinguish this repository and make it related to the contract. For example, I'll add the client's or company's name. Let's copy this path. This is for the restore location on the SaaS server. Let's go to SSH. As you can see, this path is empty. Let's go back to the user from here and create new. These are the notifications for the operations running in the background on the server. From here, we can see that the repository has been successfully added. Let's refresh the page to see the new branches. Here is the new branch, and this is the repository. Now, let's go to the server to see what happened in the client's path. This is the new repository. Let's enter it. Now, let's go to GitHub. This was created a moment ago. Let's copy the link to this repository. Now, let's go to our computer. Let's start by cloning this repository. Inside this path, let's clone it now. Let's go inside. This is the module for this client. It was built specifically for this client. Now, let's enter this repository. We will now commit the changes and push the update. These are the files that have been uploaded. The webhook is working correctly. It has already been linked with the system, and these notifications are coming from it. Now, let's go to the settings to see the webhook link. Now, let's go to the SaaS to see the Odoo configuration file. These are the listed paths. Now, let's go here to click on Rebuild Odoo configuration. Notice that a new path has been added to the previous paths. This is for this client only. This is for the template. This is for the Odoo version number. These are the modules that have been uploaded in each phase. This is phase 1, this is phase 2, and this is phase 3. After clicking the Rebuild Odoo button from here, we will now start uploading the files from here. Now, let's go to the repository list. From here, we click the Update Repository button from GitHub to the SaaS server. I will now verify that they are indeed in the path. Let's go to the SaaS server via SSH. In this path. Yes, these are the files that have been recently uploaded. These are the notifications resulting from the update, containing update information. Now, we will restart the client's version again to be updated with the new data. Now, let's go to the client's version from here. Let's go to the applications list. This list contains the modules that were added in previous phases. This is for the first phase. Let's search for it now. Indeed, the module is here. This is for the second phase. Let's search for it now. Here it is. Now, let's search for the third phase module. It is not here. Why? Because we have not updated the modules list. Let's click the Update List button from here. Now, let's search for the module again. It has become available. In this way, we have reached. With this method, we have implemented the third client integration. This module will not be available to any other client, nor will it be available in the templates. This is the client's instance. Now, all update information appears through these notifications. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more tutorials. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below.